Hello everyone, Jesse with the Daily Diz, and I am here with my La Familia. My daughter Emily is here today, Grant, as well as Jacob, Emily's awesome, amazing boyfriend. And we are here in Hollywood Studios, if I didn't already say that. We are headed over to Rise of the Resistance to start our day. So let's go do this.
Incoming transmission from Ray. BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Shouldn't you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a first-order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pokhara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pokhara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9 and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Poe Dameron and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Pokhara.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Stand clear. Jet doors opening now.
All recruits to transport. No need for staging here. It'll be a smooth ride.
Initiate green light sequence on deck 3 for Pokhara. Affirmative. Deck 3, you are clear for launch.
All ready, everyone. Transport's ready. Go, go, go!
Airspeed sensor. Thank you, Nina. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative. Engines are high. Red 2, Blue 5, report.
Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Engage propulsors and hold on, recruits. All ships, launch. I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Pokhara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark. I'm working it. Man, I did not.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
Company, first order TIE fighters. Reroute! Reroute! Red 2, Blue 5, we got a clear path so transport can make the jump.
We lost Red 2. More incoming. Blue 5 taking evasive action.
Try to shake him low. I'm gonna try to draw him away.
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready, you won't have much time.
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from?
Get there. 1 minute.
Stop. We can't. We're caught in a tractor beam. He's pulling us in.
I'll go get some friends and make this a fair fight. Don't worry, I'll come back for you. Stay strong.
Cargo vessel TR.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
Prepare to be boarded.
They want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this.
Four, single file. How many behind? Alright, listen up. Remember the color you're standing on is critical for interrogation. Once inside that cell, remain at the center of the cell. And the color was assigned to you away from the walls. Your bags, take them off now, hold them on your hands, keep them there to further notice. Yes, that means take off the bags. Hold. Go.
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
You're needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
To the triple lifts, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners.
Your cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Detention block breach. Prisoners not seen on level D. There they are! Fire!
These escape pods just follow us. Take the list down. Hurry! Hurry! No, not up! I said down! This does not look good. Try to find another way down to the escape pods.
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
personnel. Abandon ship. I repeat, abandon ship.
There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
crews will meet you outside the wreck. All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. Line up. Scaffold's pod begins.
4 escape pods down in Sector 4. Verification pending from Key Command.
Lieutenant Beck here. Beck! Alive! I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.
Can't even put it on. Wait, is that no, anything's wrong? I don't think I'm doing it right. How does this go on? What is this? What is this? I don't understand. So I'll just kind of. Is that what it is? Hello? What?
We are headed inside the Millennium Falcon. Standby line is 65 minutes.
There's no estimation.
Hello, my friends. I am Hondo Onaka, and this is Onaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in.
My 2 pilots will be side by side facing me. Gunners behind.
We'll be intercepting a first-order training shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. All right, into the cockpit. I hope you are ready, my friends, but to be sure, I will be coming along.
For safety, remain seated and supervise younglings. Por favor, permanezcan sentados.
Yeah, you have.
I don't think I have it.
Thank you, friends. Welcome. Any luggage or cargo can go right.
Yeah. No,
I'm
wait.
just gonna start
Yeah.
pressing things.
Flight engineer, repair test. Hit your flashing buttons. Good job, engineer. Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off.
On my
Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly out. And push forward to fly down. Oh, watch it. Truly makes flying this thing look easy, eh? Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. There's the train. Come, Papa. Yes, keep shooting. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action. There it is. After that plane. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons. Excellent job, gunners. Shoot the cargo free. Left pilot brakes. Oh, great. Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Power of the ship. Well, I grab the coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friends.
Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons and reel us in. Gunners, shoot the train. Yes, keep mashing those controls. The cargo's pretty. Keep shooting. Good job, my friends. Yes. We got the coaxium. I will grab it. You keep after the train. Gunship? Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. We've got to get out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry. It's coming down. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Boost. Let's get out of here. Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remote. You retrieve 2 containers of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is, hey, not bad. Oh, wait. Arthur, scan the exterior of the Falcon for life forms. You see, this happens sometimes when you travel through uncharted regions of the galaxy as much as I do. It is not unusual to find a stray species or two clinging to the hull.
All aboard! Alright. Warm up the guns. As I'm taking on my son, so I gotta get serious, so I'll be back. We just got off of Toy Story Mania, took a little pretzel break. We've been here 5 hours, we've only been on 3 attractions, so we are headed to Rock and Roller Coaster. I think it's a 85-minute wait. Alright guys, I'm gonna do the segment again. I thought I had my video on earlier, and I didn't, so we are in line for Rock and Roller Coaster, 80 minutes long. I can't remember what they were playing last time. They were playing the Guns N' Roses song, and it was really nasty. I'm thinking, this is Disney, and they were playing this really nasty Guns N' Roses song. I can't remember what song it was. It was a song back in my day when I was listening to it as a teenager, but... No, I really...
Hello, LA. It's Bill St. James broadcasting live from the hottest show.
All right, we just got off a Rock and Roller Coaster. It was about 60 minutes, so cut about 20 minutes off the time, which was pretty good considering the ride was down quite a bit, at least halfway through our line, so not bad. Off to Tower of Terror. I think it was 85 minutes earlier. We'll see what the wait time is now. All right, guys, change of plans. Tower of Terror was 2 hours, plus they were having some mechanical electrical issues, so we didn't want to wait, so off to Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway, which is only a 15-minute wait, we hope.
We start closed like minutes after.
Obviously there's more to it. I think the entire park is having issues. Every ride today has been down half capacity or just up and down, so there's some electrical, I think, issue they're having It's more than just mechanical. Because it's park wide. It's been like that since we got here this morning. First ride since like 10 o'clock. So it's been a long day with very few rides, very few attractions. I can guarantee Beauty and the Beast and Indiana Jones is probably on time. Anyway, so we'll test the waters here to see how long it takes. Alright guys, we've given up on Mickey and Minnie. So we're gonna shoot for Beauty and the Beast. 10 minutes, the show begins, 5 o'clock show, it's the last show of the day. So if we want to see Beauty and the Beast, we have to hustle. Hopefully it's not completely packed. We know this show won't get shut down for electrical issues. We hope.
Once upon a time, in a faraway land, a young prince lived in a shining castle. Although he had everything his heart desired, the prince was spoiled, selfish, and unkind. One winter's night, an old beggar woman came to the castle and offered him a single rose in return for shelter from the bitter cold. Repulsed by her haggard appearance, the prince sneered at the gift and turned the old woman, warned him not to be deceived by appearances, for beauty is found within. She had seen that there was no love in his heart, and as punishment she transformed him into a hideous beast and placed a powerful spell on the castle and all who lived there. If he could learn to love another and earn their love in return, the spell would be broken. If not, he would be doomed to remain a beast for all time. As the years passed, he fell into despair and lost all hope, for who could ever learn to love a beast?
There goes the baker with his tray like always. The single bread and rolls to sell. Every morning just the same since the morning that we came. Those four little cats.
Good morning, Belle.
Good morning, monsieur.
Where are you off to?
The bookshop. I just finished the most wonderful story about a beanstalk and an old...
That's nice. Marie, the baguettes. Hurry up.
Look, there she goes. The girl is so peculiar. I wonder if she's feeling well.
With a dreamy, far-off look.
And her nose stuck in a book.
What a puzzle to the rest of us is Belle.
Oh, isn't this amazing? It's my favorite part because you'll see. She won't discover that it's him till chapter 3.
Look, there she goes, a girl who's strange but special. A most peculiar mademoiselle. It's a pity and a sin.
She doesn't quite fit in.
Very different from the rest of us. She's nothing like the rest of us. She's different from the rest of us. It's Belle.
Bonjour, Belle. Who she thinks she is. Right from the moment when I met her, saw her, I said she's gorgeous, and I fell. Here in town there's only she who's beautiful as me, so I'm making plans to woo and marry Belle.
No one's
biceps to spare. No one is like Gaston, that is like Gaston. In a speeding match, now on a spins like Gaston. I'm especially good at expecto rain. 10 points like Gaston. When I was a lad, I ate 4 dozen eggs every morning. Can't help me get large. But now that I'm grown, I eat 5 dozen eggs. So I'm looking the signs of
Look there, he goes, isn't he too? Monsieur Gaston, oh he's so cute. Be still, my heart, I'm hardly breathing. There must be more than provincial life.
I'm going to make down my wife.
But there she goes, a girl who's strange, but special. A most peculiar cat myself. It's a pity and a sin, she doesn't quite fit in. She really is a funny girl, a beauty but a funny girl. She really is a funny girl.
Oh, Belle! Excuse me, ladies, I have a wedding to plan. Come on, Belle! Marry me! You know, Belle, it's about time you got your head out of those books and paid attention to more important things. Like me. It's not right for a woman to read as soon as she starts getting ideas and thinking.
Gaston, you are positively primeval.
So now get ready. Today's the day that all your dreams come true.
What could you possibly know about my dreams, Gaston?
Alright guys, got to see Beauty and the Beast after about 2-year layoff from that show. Loved it as always. We are inside Star Tours. Only a 5-minute wait. Basically walking right in, so only ride today that we're not going to have any issues, hopefully, with the ride.
How are you?
8 to 19, I'm getting all kinds of warnings.
Good job, Jacob. Row 3. That was worth the entire 5 minutes that we waited for Star Tours. Not even 5 minutes. Only attraction today that we didn't have it break down. I guess next up, the Muppets. 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
Smell that pizza? Smells good. Alright, thank you. Thank you, thank you very much.
I didn't know you were grabbing for me.
Oh my god, second 3D show in a row. Another one we're gonna get right into.
I still think this one might be funny.
Maybe it's been breaking down off and on too. Yep, you can. Slinky Dog Dash, Slinky Dog Dash, Slinky Dog Dash. We are in line for Slinky, the only thing that we can ride left today because Tower Terror is closed. Mickey and Minnie, Runaway Railway is also closed. Down, and everything else we've ridden. Hour and 10 minutes. The line doesn't look like an hour and 10 minutes worth, so I think it's been having issues too. We'll see. After that, we are taking off and headed to Disney Springs for dinner. Getting ready to get on with Slinky Dog Dash, Slinky Dog Dash. Slinky Dog Dash, Slinky Dog Dash, Slinky Dog Dash, Slinky Dog Dash. Hang on, Emmy. Hang on. Hang on, Emmy.
Here we go.
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Taking you slinky time. Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
You got troubles. And
I got them too. Get through. Got a friend in me. Well, guys, I wish we could stay for the show, but we have to go. We have dinner reservations super late tonight in Disney Springs, so we have to head to guest relations. I lost my glasses this morning, and guest relations is my last hope. Couldn't find them on Rise of the Resistance, where I lost the glasses. So we're hoping that someone turned them in, and maybe up front there in guest relations. If not, out of luck.
He's talking to me. Who says that?
I know you're all worried, people, but as you can see, I found my glasses. No, they found them. So I wasn't really expecting guest relations to have them because lost the glasses on Rise of the Resistance, and they didn't have them there. So apparently someone found them and carried them around with them for a while and brought them up to the front, probably on their way out the door or out the gate. So appreciate whoever it was that found them, but here they are. All right, so we're looking for our car, and then super late dinner. We have 10 p.m. reservations. Planet Hollywood. Every time they come here, it's always Planet Hollywood, so it's almost a guarantee. That's what we're gonna eat. I'm sure we can probably just walk right in, but just in case, we did make reservations. It's always fun trying to find our car at night, especially when you forget to mark where our car was parked. We know it was somewhere around Mickey. Mickey's a pretty good size area. We have everybody spread out. Grant's way down there. That's not my horn, by the way. Found the car. Here at Planet Hollywood, our Nacho Grande appetizer just came out. As you can tell, it's piled high. It's loaded with chili and 4-cheese sauce and jalapenos, black olives, pico de gallo, guacamole, and sour cream. Do it. Alright guys, my ringer burger is in. original ringer. The original ringer is loaded. It has bourbon brown sugar barbecue sauce, cheddar, lettuce, tomato, onion, pickle, which are optional. It has that donkey sauce on a brioche bun. Oh, and super melted cheese. Can't forget that. Alright, so here's that. This is the mac and cheese burger over here at Planet Hollywood. While Jacob's providing the entertainment, I'm gonna eat my ringer. What? And that's a wrap from Planet Hollywood. We are stuffed. We finished only about half the burger, barely touched the fries. I did finish mine. Nachos were great, but maybe next time we just stick with the burgers.
And that's a lot to do. Then in a shot,
We missed it. We missed it. Grant, oh my gosh. There's a lot of vloggers out there here at Disney that do not like Planet Hollywood. They say the food here isn't good. What would you say about burgers and stuff here?
I would say that's an awful take because I literally every single time get pretty much the same thing, and I am feeling like awful after because I eat the whole thing because it's that.
But you've had other foods here too. The other food here too, and you love it. And so is that Emmy.
They like their milkshakes. Remember the
yeah.
we didn't get them this time, but those are really good.
Yeah, we haven't ever. Yeah, we haven't had anything really bad here. So anyway, guys, food was great. We're super full. We ate too much. I think the nachos was a big mistake because they were such a huge portion. So
good though.
Yeah, none of us finished our burgers, right?
No. What?
Yeah, you did. No, well, you got your burger. We did get your fries, but you didn't do your fries. I didn't. I ate my fries, but I only ate half my burger. Amy ate about a third of hers. Jacob did a pretty good job, but he left some of his too, and he didn't touch his fries either. Anyway, guys, we're full. We're headed back to the hotel, and then we're gonna shower and crash. We gotta get Amy to the airport super early in the morning. So anyway, guys, that's it from Hollywood Studios in Disney Springs. Remember, Disney is the place where dreams do come true. Until next time, guys, we'll see ya.